Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a public bench with a curved roof. Okay, first of all we have to make a basic shape with any size of rectangle anyway. We can draw this with any size anyway. We can use this small size only anyway. Okay, then we have to push it up. We have to push it up maybe around this, and I will show you about the dimension. You can try it for more simple dimension because it's just simple execution of the dimension. Okay, and after that we have to delete this first, and then we can make a curvy shape in here with this 2-point arc, or maybe we can make a curvy with this circle, and we can place on this, and we can move it just a little bit. Okay, something like this. Okay, then we have to edit, cut, and triple click on this group, and we have to edit place in place, and then we can just delete some unnecessary line here, and then we can offset the unnecessary shape until the limit, and also the shape until the limit. Okay, and then we can offset it inside. We can offset it inside around with any size. Maybe with 150 millimeter, and then we can push it to the limit. Okay, and after that we can make the chair with a permanent chair, and maybe we can just make it shorter than before anyway. We can make it shorter than before, maybe just around 2000 millimeter only. Then we can set the bench height around 450 millimeter, and then we can set. Okay, we can set the distance of bench. Okay, we can select this guiding line and duplicate it to this, and we can duplicate it to the front around maybe 500 millimeter. Sorry, we can duplicate it. It's around 400, and this is on also 400 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make the shape of the bench according to this line with a line tool, and with this, and we have to follow the line, and we can erase some unnecessary line, and we can push it to the back also, and also we can make it clear with a line anyway. We can make it close with a line, and okay, it's done. You can delete some unnecessary line over there. Okay, and then we can delete some unnecessary guideline here. We can delete this, and then we can make a material for the bench. We can select the wood material. We can use this, or maybe we can use another material as we want. We can just set this material, and we can set another material with maybe the color as we want. Okay. We can use this. Okay, or maybe we can make it more dark than before. Okay, maybe it look like more elegant, and we can make it to be a roof with roof material, with a roofing material. here, and then we can set the scale. We can type 100 only, maybe, or 200. Okay, and then we can also set the color of the roof with RGB. We can push it to the left, all of it. Then we have to set the brightness. Okay, and it's done. And we can set the floor. We can set the floor with another material. We can use this floor anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope all of you get a lot of benefit from it, and wait for my next video. Thank you.